In this video, I will show you how you can set up automations in ClickUp. Now, first of all, if you want to get started with ClickUp and you want to do it completely for free forever, no credit card or other payment details required, then simply click on the link down in the description and click on Get Started. It's free right here. So after you set up your account, you want to go to your project that you want to set up an automation for. For example, I'll go to project 2 right here. Now in the top right, you will see this. So it says automations. If you click on that, you will see this. So here you have some pre-built automations, so you can go by the popular ones. So when a task is created, then set a custom field, stuff like that. But you can also create your own. So for example, when this happens, then do this action. So you can also set it up yourself right here. But for this example, I will just take one of the popular ones, and let's say I want to have one in marketing. So when a task is created, then apply this template. So let's do that one. So when a task or subtask is created, then do this action, so apply a template, and then select a template you want to apply. Now I don't have any templates on this account, so therefore I cannot pick any, but if you have them, you can pick that right here. And then once you're done, click on create in the bottom. So then you have set up your automation. Now you can also use AI. So right here you can write what you want to automate. For example, when a task is created, then change assignee. So that could be an automation that AI can set up for you. Now again, if you want to get started with ClickUp for free, click on the link down in the description. If this ClickUp automations tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.